making his way to the ring at a combined weight of 523 pounds, the Milkman and the Terror, vicious and delicious.
Listen to this crowd, guys. They're fired up for this one.
As well as they should be. This match has instant classic written all over it.
At a combined weight of 528 pounds, Lord Jesus and Little Dicky, the powers of pain.
The atmosphere inside this arena for this one is absolutely insane, guys.
And if you think this is insane, just wait until this thing kicks into high gear. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Good looking, every hair in place. Everyone loves this gorgeous face. You can't deny my beauty shot on everything that you are not.
Corey, given that the title is not on the line here, will motivation be an issue for the champ tonight?
Absolutely not, Cole. He doesn't care if the title's on the line or not. He just wants to kick somebody's teeth in.
At a combined weight of 680 pounds, King Pine and Adam Cole Bay, the Club.
Here we go, and it sounds to me like the crowd is more than ready for this one.
So am I, Michael. I've been looking forward to this match for a long, long time. And I can't help but wonder how the champ's game plan differs, if at all, knowing that the title is not on the line here tonight.
Sit out, jawbreaker!
You can pick up your teeth in the third row.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. Hits him with the uppercut. Nice move. Ooh! He'll be feeling the effects of that for a while. We're witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described as severe. It's got to be hard to rebound from that one. Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
You have to possess a different type of focus to punish an opponent like this. Look at this. It's just a matter of time now. That's how you make an impact. There was a little something extra behind that chop. That packed a punch. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Incredible. This has to be it. The human body can only absorb so much of that. He's displaying classic offense here, getting his attention with a vicious strike. Perfectly executed. Come on, ref. Get in there. That landed perfectly. Gets him with a knee there. He's inflicting some serious pain here. He's got the leg locked in now. Clearly on a mission here. I got right to the gut. Oh, I think this man means business. I don't want to know what that feels like. That strike hit the spot. There's no way he could have avoided that blow. Flapjack!
Face first.
It's
But he's got to capitalize now.
That'll have you worrying about long-term injuries for sure. He's inflicting some serious pain here. Ooh! I can't tell you how many victims have suffered the same fate. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He goes for the cover. Nobody could got it.
Here's his chance to win this.
One move after the other. It's devastating. Real nicely done. I can't believe he's in this.
Too soon.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
They cover here. This kind of offense he's known for. I'm not sure if the referee didn't blow that call. And he drops him right on his head.
He's really looking to prove a point here.
He's got him covered. So damaging. Whoa, he gets out of it.
He's at another level right now, Michael.
He's just in so much pain right now. Looks like he's pinpointing the back. So painful. He's just so dominant. Oh, I think this man means business.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Omega driver.
There is no coming back from that one.
Oh, my, what a slam. One move after the other. It's devastating. He's going for the pin. Digging deep for a kick out.
Gonna take more than that.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
No, he reverses it. He wants no part of the outside.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
This is a level of destruction no one was expecting. Oh, wow.
This one's over, guys.
He took an incredible pounding there. This is exactly how he drew this one up. Oh, my God, a clothesline. Nicely done. He's inflicting some serious pain here. Look at this.
From behind. Oh, here it comes.
He's just so quick.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
We've got to cover. He's just so... The human body can only absorb so much of that.
Here's his moment.
We got to cover. Oh! Ouch. An impressive strike there.
Has been eliminated.
Clearly on a mission here. Nobody comes back from this.
Oh, what incredible power.
Wow, what a vertical suplex. Here he goes. Omega driver.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left?
Oh, I think this man means business.
A competitor has been eliminated.
There's no recovering from that. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Executed perfectly.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Ouch.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Abuse it. Look at witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described as severe.
Now it's time to capitalize.
Nice combination there.
Perfectly executed, guys. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
And he lands a savage elbow. And the dive lands.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
Vertical suplex.
Nice.
Here's the cover. Not enough to...
There! That was vicious.
Will it be?
I think so. Yeah, it's going to take more than that.
And a savage clothesline. He lands the strike with great accuracy. Look out, look out. This could... So damaging.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
He's got the shoulders down. He got him good there. Double axe handle.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Has been eliminated.
He's inflicting some serious pain here. He's starting to feel it here. Well, he knew this was going to be a fight heading into this one.
Sometimes when you're dominating your opponent as much as he's been doing in this match, you lose focus. That's likely what happened here.
And there's a chop. Oh, and a rear super kick.
Drum bomb.
Oh, I think this man means business.
This one is over.
Let me tell you, the human body was not meant to be slammed like that.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and he slips out.
Wow, looked to me like he had it locked in pretty good. I guess not.
Oh, my goodness, crushing it. Now, that's the type of move that sends a message to an opponent. Tornado DDT!
Talk about devastation.
When this guy's on, look out. Got him good with the punch. And a big boot with authority. Perfectly placed elbow. Oh, right on the head and neck.
That was simply amazing.
Looking at it here. Look out.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Big move coming.
Wait for it.
DDT.
Got every ounce of that one. This could be over.
Did you?
This guy's a competitor. He's not going down yet.
Gonna take more than that.
His clothesline finds the mark. He finds himself in some big trouble here. He may very well be on Dream Street right now, guys.
Boy, at this point, he's going to need to have some magic up his sleeve if he wants to get back in this match.
And he's heading back in. Warm up the buses. This one's over. He's looking at it. He's in control. What's he going to do with it?
But can he follow up here? In case you're keeping score.
That should do it right there. You have to think that's it. 3.
Has been eliminated.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Big move coming. This could be Dane. He kicks him right in the gut.
And there it is, boys.
Oh, I think this man... Now that got those shoulders on the mat. And there's the breakup. Just in the nick of time. Going for the big one. What a stop to the back of the neck.
Can he finish him off?
His shoulders are down. 1, 2, and he kicks out.
Too early for that.
Nice job breaking out of that one.
But there's plenty more work for him to do here.
He's inflicting some serious pain here. That strike hit the spot. There's no way he could have avoided that blow. That'll have me worrying about long-term injuries for sure. Oh, my goodness, crushing. Gets him with a pile driver.
That has got to be it.
When this guy's on, here's a cover. He breaks up the pin, and Corey, the match continues.
I love it.
From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries. Look at this.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Message delivered. This guy can go toe-to-toe with anybody. He's got him covered. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Right to the face. Oh, I think this man means business. Oh, and the ref gets absolutely floored.
Yeah, but let's be honest, a light breeze would knock him over.
With a pile driver. Clothesline to the back
back of the neck.
What a bionic elbow!
That should do it.
1, 2, 3.
Has been eliminated.
Look at this. Nice move.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
Is that enough for the win?
A competitor has
Yes!
been
Takes
eliminated.
it! That match deserves another look. Here we go.
Hope everybody at home set those DVRs because that was a match you're going to want to watch again and again and again. Epic. That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance.
Here are your winners, King Pine and Adam Cole Bay, the club.
The referee's 3 count ends this one. And there's your winner, folks.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.
And what an incredible journey it has been to get to this WrestleMania moment. Absolutely amazing.